Easy to store and easy to use, the Smart Straps retractable ratchet tie-downs. These tie-downs feature a padded grip and thumb release for comfort and leverage, and rubber-coated steel hooks. These are the fastest and easiest tie-downs on the market, with the strap permanently affixed and self-contained. No feeding straps in and no tying off excess webbing. Easily store with a built-in power spring that automatically retracts your straps like a tape measure. Smart Straps Smart Web technology webbing contains a Smart Guard coating for more abrasive resistance. Always be ready for the next load with Smart Straps retractable ratchet tie-down.
Introducing DeWalt's small technician and electrician's maintenance pouches. Each pouch is made with durable ballistic polyfabric and electrical tape strap and has one large main pocket on the front of the pouch for easy storage for parts or tools. The technician's pouch includes a rear flap to allow it to sit in your rear pocket or attach to a belt. It has a padded cell phone holder with hook and loop to secure your phone, along with a web loop to hold the flashlight and sleeve pockets to hold your tools. The electrician's maintenance pouch uses a rear metal clip to attach to your pants or belt. It has an additional smaller front sleeve along with web loops, carabiner for keys, and sleeve pockets to hold tools and accessories. Each pouch is made for comfort and accessibility for when you're on the job. The small technician and electrician maintenance pouches. DeWalt, guaranteed tough.
Material: Premium Plus carbon steel, drop forged, entirely hardened and tempered. Head surface finish, finely ground. Surface finish, phosphated to standard ISO 9717. Double plastic dip handles. Double serrated jaws, horizontal and vertical. Length of pliers enable easier unscrewing. For screw heads with a diameter from 3 to 11 millimeters. Use screw pliers to loosen and unfasten screws that have damaged head profiles and cannot be unfastened with standard tools. Damage on the screw profile usually accrues when screws are stuck due to gluing or corrosion and standard tools strip the profile. The pliers have horizontal and also vertical serrated teeth which grab the screw by the outer diameter of the head. The teeth are strong and very sharp and provide excellent grip on the screw head, regardless of its profile.
Introducing the Preciso PLT15 2-in-1 Laser Measurer, the only tape measure with a laser for measuring in tight spaces or long distances, and a standard tape for measuring short distances. With the press of a button, the backlit LCD screen shows instant and precise measurements. Perfect for builders, real estate agents, contractors, and do-it-yourself projects, the Preciso 2-in-1 laser tape lets you measure fast, easy, and accurately to get the job done.
Klein Tools Electrician's insulated tools provide the same 1000 volt protection you expect from Klein in a sleeker package. New injection molded grips feature Klein's unique 3-part insulation that includes a white underlayer that acts as a continuous sleeve around the steel handle and serves as a warning sign if the insulation is compromised. This also adds an extra layer of protection compared to the competitors' products. The sleeker handles, including a smaller thumb guard, make these tools easier to use and store in your tool belt, without compromising their insulating abilities. This series offers the core tools an electrician needs to get the job done safely. Not all insulated hand tools are created equal. To ensure our insulated tools can truly protect you, Klein's insulated tools conform to standards such as IEC 60900 and ASTM F1505. Additionally, they are marked with the official VDE-GS logo, signifying that each tool is certified by the VDE Testing and Certification Institute in Germany. Each tool is marked with the official 1000 volt symbol. To conform to these standards, Klein's insulated tools are put through an internal rigorous testing process to ensure the tool can handle any situation it might come across in the field. Some of these tests include a dielectric test, where 10,000 volts are run through the insulation to ensure that there are no leaks, a handle pull-out test, an impact test, and a flammability test, just to confirm the durability and reliability of our insulated products. Klein Tools controls the entire manufacturing process in the United States, starting with our proprietary blend of steel forged by Klein, through our proprietary 3-stage heat treating and testing. Yet another reason why Klein Tools is the #1 choice of professional electricians.
Bye.